If you're remodeling your basement and you'd like to use one of those spaces as a bedroom, Standard Water can install an egress window system. These window systems add light, ventilation, and code-compliant emergency egress to basements. They also add value to your home and provide peace of mind for parents who have children rooming downstairs. Our crew digs the hole by hand to minimize any damage to the homeowner's property and protect underground utilities. In this case, we were extremely fortunate this policy was in place. The lines you see are private lines the homeowner had installed and are not reflected on any materials provided by the city. Had we used a backhoe, things could have been very different. A special diamond-bladed hydraulic ring saw is used to cut through the outside of the cement block to minimize the dust and mess on the inside. Then the wall is pounded out with a good old-fashioned maul. The window is installed and trimmed with help from our mobile wood shop. We install a stepped window well made of structural plastic that won't rust, rot, or be eaten by bugs. In as little as one day, Standard Water can transform a dark, cold basement into a light, warm, inviting, and code-compliant living space.